Life often feels rushed and heavy. Many people search for peace in big changes. Ancient wisdom teaches something simple. Real change starts with one small habit. When one habit becomes steady, the mind becomes calm. When the mind becomes calm, life slowly changes. This teaching is not about escape. It is about awareness in daily life. Simple actions done with care shape our inner world. This video shares small daily habits. These habits gently guide the heart toward clarity, balance, and quiet strength. Each habit is simple. Each habit can change everything. The day begins before the sun fully rises. The early light touches the sky softly. Waking up early is not about forcing the body. It is about respecting time. When the world is quiet, the mind feels less crowded. In these calm hours, thoughts move slowly. Breath feels deeper. There is space to notice the present moment. This habit teaches discipline without harshness. It builds self-respect. Early waking allows the mind to settle before noise enters. It reminds us that peace is easier to touch when we rise with awareness. Even a few extra minutes bring clarity. You start the day instead of chasing it. The heart feels lighter. Decisions feel clearer. This habit slowly trains patience. It shows that peace is not far away, it is waiting in silence. When you rise early, you choose calm over chaos. You learn that a peaceful start shapes the whole day. Over time, mornings become a sacred pause. This pause teaches balance. It teaches that life does not need rushing. It needs presence. With this habit, you learn to meet the day with kindness. You move with intention. You feel grounded. The mind becomes steady. The body feels thankful. Each sunrise becomes a reminder that every day is a fresh beginning. Making the bed may seem small, yet this simple act holds deep meaning. When you smooth the sheets, you bring order to your space. This order reflects into the mind. A tidy bed becomes a quiet promise. It says you care about your surroundings. It says you value discipline. This habit teaches respect for simple things. It reminds us that mindfulness lives in small actions. When you arrange your bed, you practice presence. Your hands move slowly. Your mind stays with the moment. This small effort builds self-trust. You complete a task before distractions arrive. This gives a gentle sense of control. Even on hard days, the bed stands as a sign of care. It becomes a place of rest, not chaos. This habit trains consistency. It shows that calm starts at home. A peaceful space supports a peaceful mind. Over time, this simple act creates inner order. You begin to treat life with care. You learn that discipline can be gentle. Making your bed becomes a quiet meditation. It grounds you. It prepares you to face the world with steadiness. Small order leads to big clarity. The body wakes before the mind. Drinking water first is an act of kindness. After long rest, the body needs care. This habit teaches listening. It reminds us to meet needs before wants. Water brings freshness. It clears heaviness. The body feels supported. This simple act connects you to awareness. You pause. You sip slowly. You notice sensation. This habit builds mindfulness without effort. It also teaches gratitude for basic needs. Clean water becomes a gift. You begin the day with nourishment, not rush. Over time, this habit builds respect for the body. When the body feels cared for, the mind follows. Energy flows gently. Focus improves. You learn that health begins with small choices. This habit also teaches balance. You choose what supports life. You slow down. You listen. Drinking water becomes a moment of care. It sets a tone of attention. It reminds you that peace starts with honor in the body. Movement is a form of awareness. Exercising daily is not about pushing limits. It is about connecting with the body. When you move, you release stored tension. Breath flows, thoughts loosen. This habit teaches balance between effort and ease. You feel strength without aggression. Movement becomes a form of meditation. Each step, stretch, or breath brings presence. This habit builds patience. Progress comes slowly. The body teaches acceptance. Some days feel light, some feel heavy. Both are okay. Through movement, you learn compassion for yourself. Exercise clears the mind. It lifts mood. It brings energy. It also teaches discipline. You show up even when motivation fades. This builds inner strength. Over time, exercise becomes self-care, not duty. You feel alive in your body. You learn that caring for the body supports the mind. This habit creates harmony. Body and mind move together. The mind feels calmer when it has direction. Planning your day is an act of clarity. It does not mean control. It means intention. When you plan, you reduce confusion. You give the mind a path. This habit teaches awareness of time. It helps you focus on what matters. You pause and reflect. What needs attention today? What can wait? This habit builds wisdom. You learn to choose instead of react. Planning brings peace. It creates space for rest and work. Over time, the mind feels less scattered. You move through tasks with ease. This habit teaches responsibility without stress. It reminds you that balance comes from awareness. Each planned step brings confidence. Reading every day feeds the mind. It slows thinking. It opens new views. This habit teaches curiosity and patience. Reading requires stillness. You sit, you focus. The mind rests from noise. Words gently shape understanding. Over time, reading builds wisdom. It helps you reflect on life. It offers guidance without pressure. This habit creates quiet strength. It replaces idle distraction with growth. Reading becomes a daily meeting with insight. It trains the mind to stay present. Limiting phone usage protects attention. Constant screens scatter the mind. This habit teaches restraint. You choose awareness over impulse. When the phone rests, the mind breathes. You notice surroundings. You listen deeply. This habit builds presence. It reduces restlessness. Over time, you feel more connected to real life. Conversations feel warmer. Thoughts feel clearer. Limiting use is not rejection. It is balance. You learn to use tools wisely. This habit restores inner silence. Eating healthy food is an act of respect. Food shapes energy. When you eat mindfully, you nourish more than the body. This habit teaches gratitude. You notice taste. You slow down. You choose what supports life. Healthy food brings clarity. The body feels light. The mind feels calm. Over time, this habit builds awareness of choices. You learn that what you consume affects how you feel. Eating becomes care, not escape. Gratitude changes perception. When you practice gratitude, you shift focus. You see what is present, not what is missing. This habit teaches contentment. Each thankful thought softens the heart. Gratitude brings peace during difficulty. It reminds you of simple blessings. Over time, this habit builds joy. The mind becomes gentle. You respond with kindness. Gratitude becomes a daily anchor. Sleeping on time is deep self-care. Rest restores balance. This habit teaches respect for limits. When you sleep early, the body heals. The mind settles, you release the day. Over time, this habit builds clarity. You wake refreshed. Patience grows. Sleep becomes a sacred pause. It completes the circle of care. Through rest, life finds harmony again.